Is this the IB life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a deadline race, no escape from Tokay. Open your files, look up to charge your back and see I'm just a IB learn, I need no sympathy, because I'm sleepy now, study go. Little revision, little test, anything the teacher says doesn't really matter to me, Mama. I'm in the IB, no time for friends or music, need to shut my eyes. Mama, IB life has begun and now I've deadlines all the time. Mama, ooh, got key-ass reflections to do on the fly. If I'm not sane this time next year, Mama, my EE is due. Send shivers down my spine, Miss Kate sings CE all the time. Goodbye everybody, I've got told, gotta leave you all behind to melt my brain. Carry on, the IB life carries on. Too late, my EE is due, and sometimes wish I'd chosen geography instead. I see a little shadow of a student, check your back, will you do the Tokay essay? Chemistry and math, that's very, very frightening me. Galileo, physics so heliocentrico, I'm just an IB learner. Everybody emails me, he's just an IB learner, working their tail off, fix him his stripe from his chemistry. Deadlines come, deadlines go, will you let me know? Mr. Dan, oh, we will get told. Let us go. Mr. Dan, oh, we will get told. Don't let him go. Mr. Dan, oh, we will get told. Let me go. We will get told. Let us go. Let us go. Never let you go. Let you go. No, 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 no. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me talk. Mr. Matt has mune for me. So you think you can change me and make me respond to emails? So you think you can teach me and get me to reflect? Oh, Miss Irene, can't do this to me, Miss Irene. Just gotta get HE, just gotta get working on my HAC. IB really matters to me anyway the time pal goes.